Alrighty then. Hey, what's up everyone? This is DayTraderRockStar for DayTradingRadio.com. This is a watch list for April 30th. And that's tomorrow. I'm going to start off today with actually a couple days. I'll send this video actually. Big shout out to my friend Jim up there in New York. And my good thoughts go out to him, and I'll send this video out to my mom, whose birthday's tomorrow, but she's no longer here. So thinking about you. All right, Budweiser. What can I say? Look at this move in Budweiser. I mean, I said I pretty much just went out to 10 for 1,000 list on Sunday. On Monday, I put out a video on the watch list. What was it now? On the blog, and I said I'm getting in. I told you I'm getting in. Got in. Boom! Look at this move on Budweiser. Boom! This is actually a screenshot from the 10 for 1,000 watch list. So basically, looking for a breakout trigger of 47.85. Target was 49. We blew through 49. This one's a 2-point move basically off of that buy trigger. And stop before it stops doesn't even matter anymore. You just take your profits. I'm holding this one, Budweiser, and I'll be taking probably profits tomorrow. I think we can have another day up, but look for a reversal during the day. So Budweiser, I'll be out of that one tomorrow. Now let's continue on today. Look at some stock plays for tomorrow. All right, let's take a look at this Yahoo here. Nice action today. The volume started picking up. We had a nice outside day pattern here. We filled that gap. Probably going to get a little jiggy in here, but what I'm liking is the turn up in stochastics. I'm just liking what I'm seeing here. I think the overall, my view on the Yahoo Microsoft deal means it's just as much as any numbskull on CNBC, because no one really knows what's going through the mind of that crazy nutcase Steve Ballmer. But anyway, it comes down to Microsoft needs Yahoo. Yahoo needs Microsoft. Both of them together is a good match. And if Microsoft doesn't team up with Yahoo, they're going to fall further and further behind Google, and they're no longer the big kid on the block. I don't know whatever the games they're playing, this is probably a market game, but it's giving you a perfect opportunity in my case. It gave me a perfect opportunity to get into Yahoo again today. I picked up another 100 shares. I think this one's being taken out for about $34, $35 a share. I know that sounds intense, and that's I'm reaching for that, but that's what I feel that Microsoft should pay Yahoo. So I'm going to stick with that call. I'm long Yahoo here. All right, we had a nice move in Dell. Here's one that I am putting on my list, my watch list for this upcoming week, and look at this nice little pattern here. All right, this beautiful little NYX, Euronext, NYX this is, but this nice tight pennant formation right here. All right, very tight. We're just about ready to break out. Now let me get rid of this line here. The way I would trade this, you have a very similar pattern here the last 2 days. So that means if you look at the 15-minute chart, you're going to have a 2-day resistance line, and I would just definitely buy this on the high of this 2-day resistance line here, which is going to be about 68.40. So look for a 68.40 buy on NYX, and look for volume to confirm that buy. That means watch for bigger blocks of volume come in. You should always have your volume charts up with your stock charts. So that's one that you should pay attention to there. NYX, and also CME looks interesting. And here's my last one for the night, because I'll keep it easy. Don't forget FOMC meeting tomorrow, so things won't be moving until 2:15. My guess, a quarter cut. I would like to see no cut. I think that would be pretty cool to see them surprise everyone for once, and maybe that would be. But I have a feeling that there's going to be some bad news coming from the Fed. Maybe they're going to announce that we are in a recession. I think they would do that. I think that might scare the market a little. We'll see. I'm going to play it either way. I might lighten up the load before I get in. Either way, Foster Wheeler's looking good. Look at the daily chart here. And if it's hard to see a pattern in here, but I'm seeing I like this reaction low over here. I like this holding up right here. So if you go all the way back to this low, you'll see that we could call this a shoulder, you call this a head, you call this a shoulder, you call this the first pullback to the 20 period moving average. Stochastic still pretty embedded up there. We have a little volume coming in on a reversal bar, meaning we have a longer tail here than the body. So stocks did come back up. If I look at the 5-minute chart, I want to analyze this a little bit more. I want to see where that buying pressure came in. Did it come in at the end of the day? Yeah, well, it was pretty much choppy throughout the day. It doesn't tell me much there, so not a good example. But either way, seeing a little bullishness in this candle. I like the volume. I like it down here to the 20 period moving average and look for a reversal. And I think that's an interesting entry here. Start scaling in if we get a drop tomorrow. And look for some signs of strength and just start to scale in whatever your shares should be. All right, so that's it. I'll see you tomorrow morning, www.daytradingradio.com. I'm the Day Trader Rockstar, and I'm done for the evening. I try to get this up for you.